Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to effectively use the track changes feature in Word. So you've probably found yourself in a situation where you need to collaborate on a document with others, and keeping track of all the edits can be a bit overwhelming. That's where the track changes feature comes to the rescue. So first, you need to open your Word document, then head over to the Review tab at the top of your screen. Click on it. Now you'll see the track changes button. Go ahead and click on it. So here, click. So once you enable the track changes feature, um, as you and your collaborators make changes to the document, Word will highlight the additions and deletions in different colors, making it easy to see who did what. So to add your own changes, just start typing. Word will automatically show your edits in different color. And if you want to leave a comment or suggestion, click on New Comment. This way you can communicate with your collaborators without messing up the document itself. Now let's say you want to accept or reject changes. So if you've seen any changes or um, any updates on your documents, you can accept or reject it. So here's an option here, accept or reject. All you have to do is to click that once you see any updates on your documents. And that's it. You now know how to use the track changes feature in Word to collaborate seamlessly with others on your documents. No more confusing email threads or versions. Everything's right there in one place. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use the track changes feature in Word. See you on my next video.